In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to empty OneDrive Recycle Bin. We'll do this right from your web browser so you can clear out deleted files and free up space in your cloud storage with just a few clicks. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for OneDrive. In the results, look for the official Microsoft link that takes you to the OneDrive sign-in page. This ensures you're on a secure, legitimate site. Go ahead and open that sign-in page. When you're prompted, type the email address associated with your Microsoft or OneDrive account. Then select Next to continue. Follow the on-screen prompts to finish signing in so you can access your OneDrive files. If you use a work or school account, you'll follow the same flow and the sign-in page may reflect your organization's branding. Just proceed as you normally would until you land in your OneDrive. Once you're signed in, you'll see the OneDrive web interface. On the left side of the screen, look for the navigation panel. In that list, find and click the Recycle Bin icon. If your left panel looks collapsed, hover over it or click the menu button to expand it until you can see the labels clearly. The Recycle Bin is where OneDrive stores files and folders you've deleted, giving you a temporary safety net before they're permanently removed. After you click Recycle Bin, you'll see a list of items currently marked for deletion. Take a moment to glance through them and make sure you no longer need anything in there. When you're ready to clear everything out, click the option that says Empty Recycle Bin. OneDrive will ask you to confirm. This confirmation is important because emptying the recycle bin permanently deletes those files from your cloud storage. Confirm the action, and OneDrive will proceed to remove all items in the recycle bin. Depending on how much is in there, this may take a moment. When it's done, the bin will be empty, and your available storage should increase accordingly. Keep in mind that once the recycle bin is emptied, those files can't be restored. This is a good housekeeping step to do periodically, especially if you're running low on space. That's it. Quick and effective. You searched for OneDrive, signed in with your account, opened the recycle bin from the left sidebar, and used the empty recycle bin command to permanently clear it. Thanks for watching, and feel free to repeat this process anytime you need to free up space in your OneDrive.